So I'm going to develop a PHP variable. So let me add this quickly as a PHP tag. Okay, so when you're developing a PHP, it's a language PHP variable, so you need to know something. What is variable? Up to comment, variable is a temporary created memory location. Variable is the temporary created memory location. So temporary created memory location which is created at the RAM. It's variable normally defined as. So not like other programming language. Example, if you develop in C# in Java, you need to follow the data variable with the data type. I say if you do it in Java, I say int x, you need to use the data type first and do that. If you do it on C#, again same thing, int x or int 32x likewise. And if you go to Visual Basic, it's a dim x as integer. So you have big stories in that when you're developing a variable. But in PHP it's easy. Only thing you need to remember, you need to use $sign and the variable name. I will say name as a variable. So next one is assigning value to the variable. So I say, so you need to understand this x equal y means the y value will be assigned into x. So if I want to put values inside to this name variable, what I will do, I say $name, right? Same concept of x equal y, $name. I will put my name here, say Danushka Fernando, right? Okay, so that means my this string value, this character number combination, the string will be assigned into this variable. So you need to understand this assignment operator. X equal y mean y value assigned to x. So that's the basic. I want to print this variable value, printing the variable value. So what I do, I say echo this. You can say echo, so you to print something, and I inside the bracket, or maybe perhaps not in that, so I say $name. So then I put semicolon here. Let me save this again on that my alias. I'll say variable .php. I'm expecting errors like that's on this. Go back to this. I say test. It's not test actually, I believe. Oops. I will say test alias inside the localhost. So I have variable. So that's printing variable. Even if I do that for a number, if I want to have a number, I say again, $number. I say number. I say num, maybe is the easiest way, and I say $num equal to 45. Oh, even straight away I can assign here, say 45. Done. So I can echo this again, echo within bracket. I say dollar, what is it, dollar, I say num. So that's actually I have create a variable to store numbers, even for fraction is the same. So when I run this, what happened, you will be printing this. So that's how you very simply develop a variable. Understand, when you're developing a variable, you need to use a $sign and the variable name assign values. There is no hard and fast rules, but even when you're developing a variable, you need to use alphanumeric numbers like character numbers, but not special symbols. And remember, like Java and other JavaScript, this is even case sensitive when you're developing a variable name. If I say $x capital, so you have to use that X capital as it is not X simple, because that make errors. I hope you're clear with that.